Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an Aldi haul with our meal plan for the week. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I typically do Dollar Tree related videos, but occasionally I do show Aldi hauls and meal plans. If you like that kind of thing, check me out below and subscribe. So I know it has been a while since I've done these kinds of videos. Things have been so crazy that I've been going in between Kroger and Aldi and shopping in little bits here and there, not really having huge hauls like this. But we are finally settled at home after vacation and we needed to stock up on some things. So my favorite, one of my standard buys is the baby spinach and arugula salad, the bananas, and we've gotten this before and it's been pretty good. These are the specially selected Sweet Globe seedless green grapes. My daughter loves and prefers green. I have not been having good luck with grapes at Aldi. I feel like I throw out almost a whole bag just days later. So I don't mind spending a little bit more for those grapes. 1 container of strawberries. I have found that if I cut these up and if we eat them within the first 3 days of the week, it usually works out really well. Otherwise, there's mold on these by the time Friday rolls around. Also bought some asparagus, 2 packages of those, some snap peas, yum. I could just eat this by itself, but I think I'm gonna cook them as a side for dinner this week. Some hummus, see this, yes, this would go really well together. Yum, yum, yum. Some guacamole. I really just bought this as a topping for toast, kind of like avocado toast, but more guacamole style. And my husband has been totally into these big Greek yogurt things. So I decided to get a Friendly Farms version too, because this one is kind of pricey and it does have a lot of carbs, I believe, a lot of sugar. So if you see here by comparison, for 2/3 cup, it has a lot more calories and 10 more grams of carbohydrate. Yeah, way more fat, 8 grams, but this one is marketed as non-fat anyway. So anyway, yeah, I'm trying to still encourage him to eat yogurt. This has pretty much replaced ice cream. So I will cut up the strawberries, and we also got a bunch of fruit during our vacation, some plums and peaches. Those will go really well with these, and also the granola at Dollar Tree I have been really liking. I am kind of excited about this. They have this tzaziki sauce. They had one with Parmesan. This one is spinach artichoke. I use this sometimes as a topping for rice when I have grilled chicken. This can also be used in sandwiches as well to kind of have something a little different. So I'm hoping that they'll have tabbouleh, which I know I could make, but that would be so nice to be able to just buy it already made. Some whipped cream cheese spread. This is for my husband for his bagels during breakfast. And okay, don't get too grossed out. You can laugh, but I am using this low-fat cottage cheese as a substitute for ricotta in lasagna. Now, I know some of you have done that before and you've heard of that. To be honest, the way I learned about it is because my family growing up was trying to save some money, and so my mom would use the cottage cheese instead of ricotta. So my husband does not technically like that, but if I blend these to make the texture more like ricotta, then he's totally fine with it. We'll be using that to make a zucchini lasagna because there's just so much zucchini. I was growing zucchini for just the flowers, but somehow, yeah, one zucchini snuck through, hidden under all these leaves from other plants too. But yeah, it finds a way to make zucchini. Bought some yellow onions, some broccoli crowns, pineapple was on sale, and I also bought a watermelon while we still can have watermelon. Okay, now I have a question for you guys. It has been a long time, probably like 2 months maybe, since I've seen the Never Any deli meat. Now, did they discontinue it? Am I just really shopping at bad times? I don't know, but please let me know if your store is still carrying the Never Any turkey, the Never Any chicken, the Never Any ham, because I haven't seen them in so long. For this week, we have been so in the mood for sandwiches, and so I bought these. This is the deli style oven roasted turkey, and then this is the honey uncured ham. They have deli slices that are kind of like how you would get them at the deli at Kroger or whatever. But I've heard mixed reviews, and I've only tried that once or twice, and it didn't quite work out the way I wanted it to. But maybe we just didn't eat them fast enough. I don't know. So for bread, for the sandwiches, we'll have deli rolls, and then I'll put some Italian dressing. So good. We're taking a bit of a break from the almond milk. That's typically what we get for years and years. We've really liked their almond milk. But my husband requested that we have some regular milk for a little while, so I bought the organic 2% reduced fat milk. And guys, my favorite. This is my favorite sweet of fall. I've done fall fun tags, and I might do one again. I don't know. If you're a YouTuber and you're interested in doing a fall tag, let me know. But yes, caramel apples with peanuts. Not with candy, not with sprinkles. Plain is okay, but I highly prefer if there's peanuts, and yay! So that's one of my favorite things of fall. I know. I did find, though, that they had the Never Any uncured ham in a large whole portion like this. That's the only Never Any meat that we could use in sandwiches that I could find. Also bought the artisan bread. We are big fans of this. And I like to have these jumbo shrimp on hand. I cannot find the family size, so I was a little sad, but yes, this is great to have on hand if I need to whip up a meal on the fly. I just like having it in the freezer, ready to go. And today is Sunday, so we are going to have some French toast sticks. I usually buy the ones at Dollar Tree, but I did not go to the tree today. Typically like those because they're small in portion. It kind of limits how much we're going to eat. But yeah, so I bought one of theirs, and this time it's in cinnamon. My daughter has been loving this cheese, right?
Yep.
Yeah, she loves it on top of their Ritz cracker dupe. This is the Happy Farms Creamy Original. They had another version in red. I don't know if that's a little fatter or whatever. It has been forever since we've had a pot roast. I cannot even tell you. We did have corned beef within the past year, so that's kind of close, I think, a little bit. But I saw this sauce, and that's what got me interested in perhaps trying a pot roast. So I can't remember if I've tried a pot roast in a crock pot before or slow cooker. See, that's how long it's been. I will also have some potatoes and carrots. Also bought some salmon and some chicken legs. Aldi, come on, please have these in the Never Any brand. I would really like that. I would definitely pay the money for that. Cinnamon raisin bagels. I didn't see these in the regular size, so I just bought the little ones, and then some everything bagels as well. And those are the tomatoes we're trying to work through. We still have some in the garden that need to be picked eventually. So I gave in because I saw a couple people on Facebook comment that these fall candles were not too bad. So I still have some of the Easter candles. I'll put those away and take them out next spring maybe. But the pumpkin ginger snap, you definitely smell some kind of spiciness to it, which is nice. And then this one is the smoked pumpkin cider. It definitely has a smoky kind of scent. I would love, though, if they would have some kind of smoky marshmallow Toasted marshmallow. That is my favorite scent of the fall. And believe it or not, this was one of my more expensive Aldi hauls. I think because of the roast. The roast was like $17 or $18. And the toilet paper, which I did not show. But yes, here are the prices. Please feel free to freeze as needed. And meal plan for the week. So today we'll have the pot roast. I gotta get that in the crock pot and ready to go so it has time to cook. That will be with the Aldi sauce that I showed you. Some potatoes, carrots, and broccoli as a side. That will take us into Monday because that roast is pretty big for our needs. And as a side for tomorrow, we'll have the asparagus. Tuesday, we will have the chicken legs and we'll make a barbecue chicken with that. And then as a side, we'll have plum and arugula salad. I think this needs some kind of starch. So I might either use the rice that I bought at Aldi before, pre-made rice packets that already have the seasoning in them, or we will just do jasmine rice. Wednesday, we definitely will have jasmine rice. That'll be with the salmon, and I'll make this really on the fly lemon garlic cream sauce. I don't have any cream technically, but I'll use the milk and kind of simmer that down a little bit. And then as a veggie side, we'll have the pea pods. Thursday will be zucchini lasagna, and to be honest, that will probably take us into Friday. But just in case, we have sandwiches on the menu for Friday with tzatziki sauce or hummus inside. And then Saturday, we'll either have leftovers or we'll have Indian food. It's been forever since I've had dosa. Anyway, so that is it for this Aldi haul and meal plan. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.